Manuel, the professional sugar boiler. I want to get a peek. You know what? That's good. Are you ready for it? 小贝米酱完水. This is where I belong. This is my home. This is my calling. Gosh, I love this part of Taiwan. 快乐一杯米酱完水。我先跟你们说，台湾是个独一无二的国家。Taiwan is one of a kind. Name a country that you can circle in one day, but has so many places, so many things to do, and so much food to eat that you could spend a lifetime exploring. Well, that's what makes Taiwan so unique. It's one of the only places in the world like this. For 4 years, it has been my profession to travel Taiwan. I've gone all around it, nearly to every single corner, and I'm still finding new experiences, new food, new places, and new things to do. This is truly why Taiwan is a gem for all travelers. I've decided to take you guys to a place that I've never been before. Eastern Kaohsiung. I'll be taking you guys with me to explore this area, to compare and contrast to see how this area differs with other places here in Taiwan. I say it every time. Welcome to today's video. It's a new day. It's a new adventure. Okay guys, welcome to Maynong. Now Maynong is known for its rich, beautiful Hakka culture, its rustic landscapes, beautiful scenery, and its wonderful, sincere people. Unlike other popular old streets here in Taiwan, Maynong Old Street is focused on creation and culture. This whole area is saturated with many DIY activities, ranging from making gourds to paper umbrellas and so much more. So let's go roam the streets, get ready to compare and contrast, and see what fun activities await us. Let's go. Hey, slowly creeping up on me. Hey dude, you ready to go play, man?
Yeah, mate. I'm looking forward to go.
Welcome to Maynong. Let's go.
Let's go.
And so our adventures began. Eastern Kaohsiung. Here we come. Maynong has a large variety of great food. One of their specialties is scrumptious bread. It's loaded with unique flavors that is made with all local products and spices. Bread is so good, it will even leave an Italian shocked. Okay guys, this street's got a lot more amazing things. Let's check it out. Oh, you found a monkey in Maynong!
But it's not a real one.
What's up guys? Welcome to the very first destination. This is the Maynong Wenchuang Zhongxi. Let's get going. Dude, look at this place. So in this museum, it's got tons of history between being an old police officer place and designed and built by Japanese people. There's a bomb bunker out there and they've got this incredible little tea room. Wow, look at this. Oh, 要脱鞋. Oh my gosh, 我犯罪了. Here, I can't take off my shoes. Take the camera. No, I can't take my shoes off. They're high tops. Is it good?
Beautiful, mate. You should come over here.
Wow, look at that. Hey, I'm coming. This place is absolutely beautiful. I feel like I'm out of the country. I'm in Japan. And the smell of the wood, fabulous. I'm out, guys. The sky, look how blue that is.
Like so blue, look at that.
Oh, smell the air. Maynong area is actually very beautiful, and if you've noticed, it's quite the agricultural hub, as well as its rich, dense, beautiful Hakka culture that is here. Now guys, this area is very, very different than other large places in Taiwan that focus on having a bustling place, lots of food. This area likes to keep it beautiful, quiet, rich in culture. I think it's time for a DIY now. I'm going to head down the road and let's go see if we can find one. Located a little west of Maynong is a Chishan sugar factory. This century-old sugar factory is now a leisure land. From popsicles to games, it's got it all. Taiwan is full of agricultural products, and every single area has their own unique product to that place. This place, however, is known for its bananas, right? It's a place you'll fall in love with the bananas. Popsicles, as well as there's this huge sugar factory right here. I mentioned to you guys that we are going to be doing a DIY activity. Well, Well, they've got one using the sugar made from this place. Let's go check it out. Is that good?
Yeah, good enough, mate.
Okay, cheers.
Hands down. One.
Now, I told you before, this whole entire area is loaded with tons of DIY activities.
Yes.
We're gonna be doing one that's very cultural to this area, and that is making sugar. So we gotta load up our little ladles.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers. Yay. I've done tons of different DIY things, if it be arts, activities all over Taiwan. Countless amounts. And never have I seen or heard a place where you can make little sugar cookies. So this is really neat, and this is how they used to do it back in the days when they didn't have snacks. The kids would come out and make their own sugar cookies. It's hot. Oh, look at this. It's going.
Is it?
Forming little bubbles right there.
You're talking to a professional sugar boiler.
Manuel, the professional sugar boiler. I'm really surprised this chopstick hasn't caught on fire yet.
No, I'm surprised my finger hasn't got on fire yet.
Go. So what you just did is you put baking soda in that, yeah?
Exactly. Look at the way it's growing.
Oh my gosh, look at that. First you melt it, and then you kind of kept on stirring it. It gets thicker and thicker. Once you take it off the heat, you apply some of this baking soda, which will let it kind of expand. It'll dry out to be a beautiful small cookie like so. The bottom will be caramelized. Wow! Wow! Oh, look at that. Oh, here. This is our dessert. It's actually time to go try some actual real food here. There's some really popular Hakka food down the street. Bantiao. Let's go get it. Let's go. Hey, you! Don't forget to subscribe. Something very, very special in Hakka culture is their bantiao. Now, this is known as the bantiao. If you look at this noodle, it's made with rice and it is flat. Now, generally they are white, and the white comes from the color of the rice.
Yeah.
But what makes this place super special and different from amongst any other place is they've got a ton of different colors. This is a rainbow of bantiao. Dip it in there. Oh.
How is it?
Oh, that is good. Oh my god. The dip is so good. It's got a sesame taste, but it's got a hint of that peanut in there.
Peanut.
Oh my goodness.
It tastes great. You're going too heavy on it. I want to get a big. You know what?
Oh, that's good. Oh my god. Dude, this is probably one of the best things I've had in a long time. We've got one more amazing restaurant on the road to show you guys. Let's go. Come on! We'll be back! What's going on?
Now look at this cutie.
Oh my gosh.
He loves it.
It's colors.
Look at that.
So, Manuel and I, we have arrived at our next destination. This is a short drive from Maynong. This place is called Shanlin. And this actual little area that we're in right now, as you can see, it's got lots of these cool little dwellings. It's got this really neat community. It was built for the refugees of the indigenous people that came down after a large fengzai a long time ago. But now it's been transformed, it's been moved into a cultural center. Inside, there's a restaurant right here. It uses all the food from the land. So whatever's in season is what they're going to make. They don't have a set thing. Yes.
Mate, did you see this? They even make pizza!
Let's go inside and let's fill our bellies up with some really neat food that you literally cannot get anywhere else. Oh, is it good?
Oh yeah.
Huashan tofu.
Wait, is it tofu?
It is.
I look like a banana. Yeah,
Thicker substance due to the peanut. I'm not a big fan of tofu, but this tofu, I actually enjoyed it a lot.
It doesn't even taste like tofu actually.
Yeah.
It tastes like peanut.
This is called tuji. That means wild chicken. Tuji. And what they did very special is they smoked this chicken using what's known as Chinese cheese.
Okay. Oh.
So let's just try it out. It's got this beautiful glaze. Just look at that. Just an incredible glaze right on this chicken. The meat looks very tender. It's probably one of the most sweetest chickens I've ever had. So, no matter where you go, you're going to get a new experience. And that's what really makes traveling beautiful here in Taiwan. And that's why I love coming to these places.
I'm a simple man.
Yeah?
You know what's my favorite?
What? Bread. You know, I'm a simple man too. As long as there's mijiang, I'm just a happy guy.
Wait. yourself here.
Stay there, I'm coming. Oh, I made it. We're a little far from the camera. Let's transport to the front.
Right, Logan.
We made it.
Tell me where are we?
Manuel, we are right now in Liaogui, this beautiful area up in the mountains of Kaohsiung. This mountain carries something unique and special. Its tea is different, its tea is unique. We're gonna be trying that, as well as its beautiful scenery right around us. Every single place in Taiwan carries a beautiful aspect to it. So, let's go teleport and go find some more places. Entire area is full of this beautiful culture. Now, 你们这边有茶叶，你们这边有食物，你们什么都有，对不对？这些食物跟这边有什么特色？
最主要我们六龟的话是以山茶为主。
OK，
像我介绍一下，这个是山茶饼干，还有蔓越莓，还有山茶的那个小鸟蛋，还有鸡蛋。
You're trying to eat it without the shell? You gotta eat the shell as well.
我们要怎么吃？我们吃客吗？
没有，要不。
Yay! You liar!
是要
Manuel lied to me.
安全感。
两个，
对，两个。
你要给我两个。
Go for the second one.
这就很好吃。Because what they're doing is they put it in this little cylinder cup, this one right here, and then they flip it over very seamlessly where nothing comes out, not even a drop. And then it's up to you to pull it up and let it slowly pour into the beautiful cup. So first test, aroma. Second test, the taste. Third test, endurance. You'll find out about that later. Okay, let's go. It's gonna be tight, man. Whoa, way too quick. Oh my gosh. You did it!
Wait. Now you have to roll it a little bit.
If you want to go to a new place, you don't have to jump out of the country. Just jump to a different corner of your own land. So we're going to talk about this in just a bit, but we're going to play more. He's got his last endurance test, and we'll talk to you guys later about our fun trip. Okay guys, now I'm going to be showing you one of the most beautiful landscapes here in this wonderful mountain that really makes it unique. And at this moment, we will be doing the last endurance test for Manuel because I love to put him to the test on anything. Manuel, will you show them what we're doing?
Look at that. We're gonna run up to the top.
So here in Liaogui, there is this beautiful, majestic Buddha sculpture. You can actually walk to the top. Oh, it is huge. Manuel will be running to the very top, and I'll be waiting up there for you.
Hang on. How do you manage to get up there?
I shall teleport. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? On your marks, get set, go! Is this like torturing a friend? I don't know.
Just ending. It's never ending.
Go!
Oh, I can't feel my legs anymore.
No, Buddha.
Here it is.
Go.
It's calling for me, man.
Join the tribes. I love you. Well, guys, Manuel has left to join the monkey tribes here in the beautiful mountains of Kaohsiung. As for me, it's time to continue traveling. Because the beautiful thing about Taiwan is that no matter where you go, you will find new places, new experiences, and new things to go. I want to ask you guys, what is one of your very favorite, special, unique areas to Taiwan? For me, it's probably going to be up here in the mountains. There are so many things to do, so many cultures, and everything is just so bustling and so fun. It's definitely like my little heaven here on earth. Come check out this beautiful area in eastern Kaohsiung. The mountains here, there's a secret, there's a mystery waiting for you.
Love you all from the monkey.
Did they not let you join the tribe?
No, they say come next time.
Come next time.
Try your luck next time.
Sounds good, guys. Go check out Manuel's channel. He's making some awesome content. And I think you all know what to say. 喝一杯，快乐一杯，米浆万岁。You don't forget to subscribe. 走。欢迎光临，嘿嘿嘿，大家早安。就 就是我小贝米浆。今天太好了吧，对不对？大家过来，我们一起快乐，我们一起喝米浆，同一眼光炒米浆。Let's go！我每天都在想要不要喝米浆，嘿，我浆。